Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. If you're new, today in the lab we're going to be doing a haul. I've got some goodies, some new products that I've been loving, and also I just recently tried here on my channel, so I will have that video up as well. But I'm going to talk about some products that has been new. I posted them on my Instagram stories about some skincare products, and then I also have some makeup goodies in here as well. So if you like hauls, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And without further ado, if you want to see what's in this haul, then keep on watching. So you guys, I love hauls. I love watching them here on YouTube. I love just buying a lot of stuff, seeing what people are interested in and things like that. So that's why I'm excited to share some of the goodies that I have on hand. So I'm going to first start with this one because I just pulled it from my perfume tray. This is the YSL Mon Paris Eau de Parfum. So this is the Parfum and it looks like this. It smells so good. It's like fruity. I'll spray it a little bit. The bottle is really cute, so that's one thing. I'm gonna put it on my skin so I can really smell it. So it's kind of so it's sweet. Sweet yet mature. Any Parfum, in case you didn't know, if you go into stores and you see that, okay, what are the differences with these two? They look really similar. One may say Parfum, one may say Toilette. A Parfum typically lasts a little bit longer than your toilettes. Your toilettes are almost like your body sprays. They last a little bit longer than like your Bath and Body Works type of body sprays, but not as long as a Parfum. So that is the difference with that. It smells so good and so like sexy, like grown and sexy. I need to tell you guys what notes are. Like I said, the bottle's really cute. The notes that are in this are strawberry, raspberry, bergamot, cologne, pear, orange flower, jasmine sandback, white peony, datura, patchouli, white musk, ambrox, cedarwood, and crystal moss. So a lot of notes are in this. If you're in the market for a new fragrance, I would definitely try the new YSL Mon Paris Parfum, and I think it comes in a rollerball, so definitely check that out if you're not ready to buy a full size. But this one, girl, it smells so good. So I mentioned this on my story. This one is amazing. I have tried it in the sample packets at first, and it's two ways that you can use this particular exfoliant. If you really need to exfoliate a lot, like if you never really exfoliate, you notice that your skin has a lot of texture and a lot of dead skin, then you can use this without like using a lot of water on your face. But if you want like a light exfoliant, then definitely wet your face first before adding this on, and then just massage it in circular motion until the sugar is dissolved. So this is the new fresh strawberry exfoliating face wash. It says gently refines and softens the skin, but it's an exfoliator, so you can use it, like I said, in two different types of ways depending on how gentle you want your exfoliating to be. That's when you're going to add more water. If you need more of a deeper exfoliation, then you wouldn't add as much water on your skin. I also have the Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. This one's in the shade Sun Glow, so I'm excited to see how this is going to work under my foundation. I love to glow, if you haven't noticed that about me already, but this is what it looks like, and I feel like it's going to give me the perfect glow for this summer. Even if I want to wear it by itself, I can certainly do that, and I'll still get a glow as though I have on a moisturizer. And it smells really good. It smells so good, like peaches and apricot or something. I'm excited to try this. Like I said, it kind of gave me a little tan, so I'm excited to see how that's going to work. I picked up also the Damn Girl Too Faced Mascara. I actually just did a review here on my channel with this, so check that out. All the information will be in the cards and also in the description box below. So yeah, that is this mascara. If you want to know details on it, then go ahead and check that video out. So I got that. I also have the new Anastasia eye primer, and it looks like this. So this is an eyeshadow primer. It's going to allow some shades to lay and pick up really brightly from their new palette. It doesn't smell like anything, but that's the primer. So the reason I'm excited to try that is because I have my hands on the new Alyssa palette as well. So this palette has a lot of bright colors in it. So typically, like in warehouses and stuff, it's really hard to really bring forth some of these bright colors like this yellow or the pink or the blue or this purple. So I'm excited to see how it's going to work with Anastasia's own eyeshadow primer to see if these colors are going to pull through. But I'll go ahead and swatch the yellow. I'm always into the yellows. Like, that's crazy to me. So that's what those 3 colors are looking like on top of the primer. So they're really bright and bold on the primer too. So I'm excited to see how this palette is going to work. And it's just really colorful. I do know that they recently had like these bright colors come out for Pride. So I'm excited to see these different colors and how I will use them. You guys know I'm really more of a soft glam type of chick. I'll do a little glitter, bold lip, but these type of colors, honey, we're gonna have to play around with them. So I'm excited to see how I can create looks with that. Let me know if you guys want me to do a makeup eye tutorial on that. I also got my hands on the Sephora Cucumber eye mask. I just picked up one to try it out. I think I recently seen Kathleen Lights talking about these. She loved these in her skincare prep type of videos. So I want to see how these work. This is the cucumber one, and it's for soothing and depuffing. So that's the reason that I really got it, because I want to see if it's really going to depuff under my eyes, and also just have like a little spa type of me day, like spoil myself and just sit back, relax, and you know, do a little skin prep. But yeah, that is those. Let me know if you tried these before. These are the Sephora eye masks. I also have the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser by Youth to the People. I picked up one of these I mentioned in a video before, and it was the Point Perk one. And I actually like this cleanser. It's really soft on the skin. The smell is so natural. Like, sometimes it's like, I'm not quite sure. But it does clean your skin without stripping it or anything like that. I love skincare products that do not strip the skin. It does not cause me to be dry or anything like that. So yeah, if you're looking for a new cleanser, this one only retails, I think, for $10. So you can't beat that with the stick for an all-natural clean brand. Again, this is the Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. So many words to say, I know. So I also have the Herbivore Emerald Cannabis Stevia Hemp Deep Moisture Glow Oil, and I am excited to see how this is going to work. You guys know I've really been talking about my what is it called? My Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Oil. Now that stuff is bomb. So I'm intrigued to see how this is going to work. Herbivore is a really good brand. They're a little pricey, but this is what the oil looks like. Oh, it's definitely giving me a glow. So I'm excited to see how this will work. They're another brand that's like pretty clean. And this one has the Cannabis Sativa Hemp Oil in it. So that's going to help with conditioning the skin, keeping it really hydrated. So that's probably where the glow is going to come from. And it feels really nice on the hands. So if you're looking for a glow oil that's going to help penetrate the skin while giving it the nutrition that your skin needs, check out the Herbivore Emerald Glow Oil. It feels really nice and it smells good. Doesn't smell bad. Lately I've been trying to be on this glitter kick. So I have 2 Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliners. This one's in the shade Sticks and Bones, and it's like this purpley color, and the other one is Midnight Cowboy. I don't know why I got Midnight Cowboy, because I have so many golds. So I don't have anything like this. This one's more of a like a black with like purple, blue reflex in it, and then of course this gold one. And the gold one's nice. I have so many different gold glitters though, but that is those 2, if you guys can see those. So yeah, again, these are the Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter eyeliners. So that's that. Also got the full size of the Tarte Found Sealer Foundation. This is in the shade 44H Tan Honey, and this is what it looks like. I did do a full review on this foundation, so if you want to see my thoughts and details on this, check out that video as well. I'll link it in the cards and in the description box below, so I don't need to go into depth with that. Also got my hands on the new YSL Instant Matte Pore Refiner. Alright, so you guys, if you've been watching my channel, you know that I don't like matte looks like that. Like, I love to glow and look a little more radiant. But when I fill this primer and I rub it in, it is actually not like a silicone base. I think that's why I don't like matte primers, because they have that deep silicone base. This one is actually hydrating. So don't get scared if you have oily skin and you're looking for a matte primer. What will happen is it will dry down, similar to the Milk Hydro Grip. So in the beginning it's tacky, it's a little more hydrating, it looks a little wet, but then when it dries down, it's super soft, smooth, and gives you like that matte look. This one is doing that similar thing without leaving you radiant, if you get what I'm saying. So I hope that makes sense. The reason I'm excited to try this is because I have normal skin. But when the YSL brand rep was talking to me about this, she was mentioning that she has dry skin. And she uses this matte primer. So I'm excited to see if this will not allow me to look like the desert, or if it's going to still let me, you know, let my glow shine through, you know. So I'm excited to try this. And as it's drying, it's not sticky. It's not, like I said, real dry and crumbly or anything like that. It's super smooth. So it's going to refine your pores and smooth everything out. So I'm excited to try that. Last couple of products that I have. This one is an oldie. I'm excited to try this. This is the Nars Velvet Matte Foundation Stick. I have it in the shade Taiho Medium Dark 2. So I want to see how this is going to work on my skin. One end is a sponge and the next end is a stick. So I'm going to see how this works. It's a velvety matte, so it shouldn't be too matte to the point where it's giving me dry. I also have the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Demolition. I really like these Urban Decay pencils, and this one's like a deep brown. You guys can see that. So instead of going in my waterline with black all the time, I'm excited that this is like a deep brown. I also have my hands on the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine 1993 Gloss. I'm excited about this. This is what the color looks like. Whoo, this is pretty. This is really pretty. That's really, really pretty. Glosses like that I could do, where they're like more of a brownie, smoky look, and I can wear it by itself or with a liner. Another lip product and last product that I have is the new Too Faced Peach Puff Diffuse Matte Lip Color. This one's in the shade Scary Spice, and it looks like this. So it's like one of these sponge type of deals, and you would press it down and you would twist it up. I actually have something similar to this. I'm not going to swatch this one because a dupe, if you don't want to spend as much money on the Too Faced ones, I think a dupe to those with the same concept with that sponge tip are the NYX Powder Puff Lippies, and they have that same puff on them. You guys can see. So I have that video. If I can find it, because it's so old, I will link that video and you guys will see my review on these. But that is everything that I have recently gotten from Sephora. I hope you guys enjoyed this particular haul, and until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.